Step into style from the very first glance. In today's video, we take you on a journey through some of the most refined and modern entrance designs that effortlessly elevate both apartments and upscale homes. The entrance isn't just a doorway, it's your home's first impression. That narrow corridor or compact hallway in a city apartment can become a statement of taste and creativity with the right design approach. Sleek wall paneling, hidden lighting, minimalist furniture, and refined textures instantly add depth and sophistication to even the smallest spaces. We begin with contemporary entryways that showcase clean lines and warm palettes. Think beige, taupe, and soft grays, layered with wooden textures and matte black accents. These neutral color schemes create a calm and welcoming mood, perfect for setting the tone as you enter your private world. Notice how lighting plays a pivotal role in these modern designs. Recessed ceiling lights, backlit mirrors, and LED strips along baseboards not only enhance visibility but also create an ambient glow that feels both high-end and soothing. Even in limited spaces, light becomes a tool to add elegance and volume. Storage in modern entrances is all about discretion. From built-in cabinets with handleless fronts to floating console tables with sleek profiles, functionality never overshadows style. And when paired with stylish wall hooks, art pieces, or sculptural mirrors, these practical features blend seamlessly into the aesthetic. Texture matters too. A wall finished in microcement, a rug with a low-pile geometric pattern, or a bench upholstered in soft leather or velvet, each element adds tactile richness without overwhelming the space. The secret lies in balance, mixing soft and hard materials to create visual rhythm. Some of the showcased designs lean into bold contrasts, white walls paired with black steel-framed glass doors, or minimalist layouts accented by gold or copper lighting fixtures. These choices speak to those who want a dramatic yet tasteful entrance experience, one that hints at the character of the home beyond. Plants, art, and scent also play a role in completing the scene. A single statement vase, a wall-mounted artwork, or even a tray with diffusers and candles near the entryway can elevate the atmosphere and make coming home feel like a curated moment. Whether you're working with a narrow apartment corridor or a more spacious entry hall in a modern villa, the principles remain the same: functionality, clarity, elegance. An entrance isn't just a passage, it's an experience, and when styled right, it becomes a daily reminder of the beauty within your home. In many of today's featured designs, mirrors play a transformative role. A tall mirror placed strategically near the door not only adds visual space but also brings light and elegance into the entryway. Some designs use circular mirrors as sculptural focal points, while others lean toward vertical, frameless panels that enhance height and symmetry. Color blocking is another stylish strategy seen across both apartments and homes. For example, a darker tone like navy or charcoal gray on the lower half of the wall, contrasted with a light upper half, brings dimension and personality to the space without overwhelming it. Combined with subtle lighting and minimalist decor, the result feels sophisticated and intentional. Another striking detail found in modern entryways is the use of bold flooring. Whether it's herringbone wood, polished concrete, or patterned tiles, the floor itself becomes a design element. This is especially effective in narrow corridors, where eye-catching flooring adds character without the need for excessive furniture. Seating elements, like a simple upholstered bench or a built-in ledge, add both function and charm. They offer a place to sit, organize shoes, or even display soft cushions and throws that match the home's overall palette. In modern luxury interiors, these benches are often paired with accent walls made of fluted wood or textured stone, creating a boutique hotel feel at home. Smart technology is also finding its place in entryway design. From motion sensor lights to touchless door locks and integrated speaker systems, modern entrances are evolving into welcoming, intelligent spaces. These additions not only boost convenience but add a futuristic touch that aligns with today's luxury lifestyle. The harmony between form and function is what defines a successful entryway. It should flow with the rest of the home, yet still carry a unique identity. Whether it leans minimalist, Scandinavian, Japandi, or modern classic, every entrance tells a story. It's the beginning of your space's narrative, and one that deserves just as much attention as any living room or kitchen. So, as you rethink your own entryway, remember, great design starts at the door. If this inspired your next upgrade, don't keep it to yourself. Like the video, share it with someone who loves design, and subscribe to Decor Pro 2 for more elegance, room by room. Your perfect home begins here. See you in the next video.
Welcome to Decor Pro 2.